Bitcoin's next move is going to shock the world, but not you. You're going to know exact levels to buy and sell for Bitcoin. You don't want to miss this one. Let's go.
Hey, I'm Scott, and I've been a pro trader for 10 years. In these videos, I'm going to teach you everything I've learned so you don't have to learn the hard way. Remember to follow and share the channel, and also have your alerts on because I'm going to give you a lot of updates and you want to be the first to know.
Looking at Bitcoin on the high time frame, this is the weekly chart. Now, Bitcoin broke out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, all right? Now, that's a really good thing. However, it's come back now inside the range, all right? So what you want to see is Bitcoin break above and hold above about 112,100. That is literally the level on the chart. That said, I'm going to give you a buy alert. I'm going to show you the exact level to buy and exactly where to sell for the end of year bull run blow off top. Okay, so looking at the chart, one of the major clues here is this SRSI, that's stochastic RSI. You want to see this cross up. When that happens, you're going to see the final blow off top move for Bitcoin. Now, there's something we need to know right now. This is pointing down, which means Bitcoin can come down lower into these levels. And we did have bearish divergence play out so far where Bitcoin made a higher high, but the RSI made a lower high. See this white trend line? And it's actually poised down, all right? However, as long as you see RSI hold this 50 level and SRSI, when it crosses back up, Bitcoin's going to make a monster rally into the end of 2026. So let's get closer and look. This is actually the 4-hour time frame. All right, we're going to talk about trading now.
Stay ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts. Hit subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're always the first to know about the latest stock and crypto moves. Your financial freedom is just one click away. Let's crush those gains together.
So basically, what you want to see, Bitcoin basically front ran the buy level right here, right around 108,300. This is the golden pocket. All you want to see is Bitcoin come down into this golden pocket. It ranges anywhere from about 107.3 to 108.3, and you want to see that level hold, okay? Now, bulls bought up this level, they front ran the level. Front running means they bought it up before it could get tapped. So one of two things is going to happen. Bitcoin's going to just take off and leave everyone in the dust, or, and this is a more likely scenario, it's going to come back down into the golden pocket, into this buy zone. Now the buy zone's marked in red. Essentially, you want to see Bitcoin come into this range. Now if we get a really big dip, Bitcoin can actually come down to this 104.5 level. You want to see that level hold. I have to be very just direct with you here. Bitcoin needs to hold 104.5 if it were to dip down there. And if it does, it's a great buying opportunity. If it doesn't hold 104.5, then price could actually go lower. For now, this is your buy zone, anywhere between 108.3 and 104.5. And you're going to target a move back up into 124.5, all right? But on a larger scale, if you get a good long entry there when price comes there, here's what you're looking at on the high time frame. You're looking for a move into these higher levels into the end of the year. Now, the best case scenario for Bitcoin is 176,000 per Bitcoin into the end of the year in early 2026, all right? Now, it's more likely, just from a probabilistic approach, that Bitcoin approaches like, say, 129,000 or even 138,000. I'm going to be looking for topping signals there, and you don't want to miss that. So make sure you follow and share this with just one person, all right? Now, that's been your Bitcoin trade alert. I've got another video coming with updates on altcoins, where to buy and where to sell. So make sure you follow. I'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Hey, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, click the link in the description. You can join the Financial Freedom Academy email list, we're going to give you free market updates every Wednesday, trading tips, and insider information you don't want to miss. Check it out.